PI network is making some serious noise, and we are here to break it all down for you. I'm Gold Rush, and welcome back to the only channel dedicated to digging up the crypto gold and delivering it straight to your screens. Today, we have got a double dose of PI network excitement that you simply cannot afford to miss. Two explosive articles are making waves, hinting at a potential $300 price target for PI. Is this just hype, or is there real fire behind this smoke? Let's get right into it. All right, let's kick things off with this red-hot article from CoinGape. We are talking PI network, folks, and it seems like the market is finally starting to wake up to the potential of this project. This article is screaming bullish signals, focusing on a major exchange listing and some serious Binance buzz. Let's start with this interesting article from news source, CoinGape. PI network price highs rally to $300 amid major listing and Binance voting update. PI network has once again caught the eyes of investors with its latest major listing update, sparking discussions over a massive rally ahead. Right out of the gate, major listing update and massive rally ahead. This is the kind of headline that gets the crypto blood pumping. The article continues. Notably, this listing update comes just ahead of its mainnet launch later this week. In addition, the leading crypto exchange Binance is also holding a voting poll to gather market sentiment over whether to list the crypto on its platform or not. Mainnet launched this week, and Binance is considering a listing based on a voting poll? Hold on a minute, this is getting spicy. Let's dig into this MEXC listing first. PI network sees major listing. In the latest MEXC exchange blog, the leading crypto exchange revealed its plan to launch PI network, PI, on its platform for pre-market trading. MEXC exchange, a major player in the crypto exchange world, is listing PI network for pre-market trading. This is huge validation right here. And what does pre-market trading mean? Let's see what the article says. In other words, it would give investors access to start trading before it goes live in the spot market. As per the MEXC announcement, the pre-market trading will start on February 19th at 4:00 UTC. February 19th, 4:00 UTC. Mark your calendars, folks. Pre-market trading on MEXC. This is early access, a chance to get in before the potential floodgates open. The article then explains the significance. Why it matters. The market participants have lauded the MEXC listings, as it would allow traders to buy and sell the PI network token before their official listings on the exchanges. Lauded is the word they use. The market is hyped about this, and for good reason. MEXC's pre-market service enables traders to set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices. Translation. Potential for early gains, folks. And the article nails the impact, stating, having said that, this listing is expected to increase PI's visibility and accessibility, potentially leading to higher trading activity and a surge in price. Visibility, accessibility, higher trading activity, and a price surge. This is exactly what you want to hear if you're holding PI or looking to get in. But hold on, there's more. The article then pivots to Binance. Binance voting update and mainnet launch anticipation. The top crypto exchange Binance is running a voting poll to gather user interest on whether to list the token or not. Binance voting. Let that sink in. Binance, the king of crypto exchanges, is gauging user interest in listing PI network. This is not just a rumor. This is a verifiable voting poll on Binance itself. And the results? However, it appears that a flurry of market participants wants to see the PI network being added to the exchange. As per the recent developments, more than 85% of the votes were cast in favor of the listing. 85%. Overwhelming demand for a Binance listing. If Binance lists PI network, it's game over, folks. Price explosion incoming. The article agrees. This listing, if happens, could further bolster the crypto's appeal to the investors, which could lead to a massive spike in PI network price ahead. Massive spike is right. MEXC listing and potential Binance listing on the horizon? This is a 1-2 punch of bullish news. But there's a third catalyst brewing. Besides, the much-awaited open network launch, scheduled for February 20th at 8 a.m. UTC, can further help gains in the asset's price ahead. Open network launch on February 20th, 8 a.m. UTC. This week, everything is converging at once. MEXC listing, Binance voting, and Mainnet launch all happening practically at the same time. This is not a coincidence, folks. This is a perfect storm of bullish catalysts for PI Network. And what about that $300 price target in the title? Let's see what the article says about price predictions. PI Network price to hit $300 soon? PI coin value today was down around 15% to $73.4734 during writing, but it has delivered gains of around 73% over the last 30 days. Down 15% today, but still up 73% in the last 30 days. Even with a slight dip, PI is showing incredible momentum. And here comes the price prediction. However, with these positive developments, it appears that the market participants are eyeing further rally for the coin. For instance, the latest PI price analysis hints at a potential rally for the coin to $200 amid the Binance voting update. $200 just based on the Binance voting update alone. But they're not stopping there. In addition, with the latest MEXC listing, investors are putting further bets toward a potential rally ahead. Lauding the latest listing, a Web3 influencer, Victor ICP, predicted a potential rally for the PI network price to $314, which has sparked market optimism. $314. Now we're talking. A Web3 influencer predicting over $300, citing the MEXC listing. Market optimism is definitely sparked, and mine is too. However, the article does inject a dose of realism, which is important. However, it's worth noting that in an alternate scenario, the token can fall below the 50-day moving average. If this happens, then the token will find its support at $33.82, the price analysis showed. Considering all these possibilities, the investors should exercise due diligence before putting their bets into the token. Always gotta remember the downside risks, folks. Crypto is volatile. It could drop to $33. But with all this bullish news, with MEXC listing, Binance voting, and Mainnet launch, does that downside scenario seem likely right now? I'm just asking questions. Alright, Gold Rush family, that was article number 1 from CoinGape, and I am already feeling incredibly bullish on PI Network. But you are not going to believe what article number 2 reveals. It takes this PI Network hype to a whole new level. Before we unleash article number 2, if you are getting value out of this analysis, if you are feeling the PI Network FOMO kicking in, then smash that like button. Let me know you are loving this content. And if you're new here, subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily. We are bringing you the hottest crypto news, analysis, and potential moonshots every single day. Don't miss out. Okay, prepare yourselves because article number 2 is from Hokanos, and the title is absolutely mind-blowing. Breaking. PI Network becomes the world's #1 trending cryptocurrency. World's #1 trending crypto. Forget about just trending in crypto circles. This is worldwide trending. This is mainstream attention hitting PI Network hard. Let's see what this article has to say. Let's start with this interesting article from news source, Hokanos. Breaking. PI Network becomes the world's #1 trending cryptocurrency as open mainnet approaches. PI Network has officially taken the top spot as the world's most trending cryptocurrency. #1 trending. This isn't just some random website claiming this. This is Hokanos reporting on PI Network becoming the world's most trending crypto. This is insane. The article continues. After years of development, the project is beginning to receive widespread recognition, marking a pivotal moment in its journey toward mainstream adoption. Mainstream adoption. That's the holy grail in crypto, folks. And PI Network, after years of building, might be on the verge of achieving it. The article explains why PI Network is gaining so much traction. A revolutionary concept gaining momentum. Since its inception, PI Network has set itself apart from conventional cryptocurrencies by offering an accessible and energy-efficient mining model. Accessible and energy-efficient mining. Mining on your phone. This is what sets PI Network apart. No expensive mining rigs, no massive energy consumption. This is crypto for the masses. Unlike Bitcoin and other digital assets that require high-powered mining rigs and consume vast amounts of energy, PI allows users to mine tokens directly from their smartphones. This innovation has made cryptocurrency participation more inclusive, attracting millions of users worldwide. Millions of users worldwide. 60 million users, as the article mentions later. This is a huge community. a sleeping giant potentially about to awaken. The project, founded by Stanford University academics Dr. Nicholas Catalyzes and Dr. Qingjiao Fan, has consistently emphasized decentralization, security, and usability. Stanford academics, legitimate founders with a vision. Decentralization, security, usability, the trifecta of crypto success. The article highlights the massive community. The increasing engagement within the Pi community, now numbering over 60 million users, underscores its expanding influence. 60 million users. That's bigger than some countries. That's a powerful network effect just waiting to be unleashed. And with the open mainnet launch approaching, the potential is explosive. The significance of the open mainnet launch. A crucial milestone in Pi Network's roadmap is the anticipated launch of its open mainnet. This transition is expected to unlock new possibilities for the Pi ecosystem, allowing users to conduct seamless transactions, develop blockchain-based applications, and integrate Pi into broader financial systems. Open mainnet is the key, folks. It unlocks the true potential of Pi Network. Seamless transactions, dApps, integration into broader financial systems. This is no longer just a phone mining experiment. This is becoming a real cryptocurrency ecosystem. The open mainnet will mark the departure from the enclosed phase, where transactions have been limited to verified users within the Pi network ecosystem. With the upcoming launch, Pi holders will gain full control over their tokens, enabling real-world utility beyond the network's current infrastructure. This step is expected to drive increased adoption, further solidifying Pi's position in the cryptocurrency market. Real-world utility. That's what drives long-term value in crypto. And experts agree on the importance of the mainnet launch. Experts believe that the open mainnet will play a critical role in determining Pi's long-term value. Let's connect the dots here, folks. We have CoinGape highlighting the MEXC listing, the Binance voting buzz, and price predictions up to $300. And now we have Hokanews reporting that Pi Network is the world's #1 trending crypto, with 60 million users, and the open mainnet launch just around the corner. This is not just isolated hype. This is a confluence of powerful bullish signals, all pointing in the same direction. Pi Network is ready to explode. The MEXC listing and potential Binance listing give it immediate exchange access. The Binance vote shows massive market demand. The mainnet launch unlocks real-world utility. And being the world's #1 trending crypto means mainstream attention is finally here. This is a perfect storm, folks, a crypto hurricane potentially about to unleash on the market, and Pi Network is right in the eye of it. Are you positioned to benefit from this? I'm just asking. Pi Network to $300? $314? Is it just a dream? Maybe. But with all this news, with all this momentum, with the mainnet launch just days away, it's certainly not out of the realm of possibility. This is a high-risk, high-reward play, folks, but the potential upside is absolutely staggering. Now, before you go throwing your life savings into Pi Network, remember this is just my analysis based on these articles. Do your own research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. But do not ignore this news. Pi Network is making waves, and you need to be aware. All right, Gold Rush family, that's your emergency Pi Network update. Are you as excited as I am about this potential moonshot? Let me know in the comments below. What are your Pi Network price predictions? Let's get the discussion going. And don't forget to subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another crypto gem. Check out these other videos for more crypto gold digging. And as always, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to share the crypto news and potential opportunities I'm seeing. You are responsible for your own investments.